Hello team and family, this is Proportions Part 2, video number 2. The principal at Harbor School found that 7 out of 10 students do most of their research for writing reports on the internet. If 150 students are writing reports, how many will do most of their research on the internet? So this is a pretty simple proportion problem. I'm comparing students that use the internet, so students that have the internet for their research projects out of the total amount. I know from this proportion, or I know from this question, that 7 people use internet out of 10, and I need to find, if there are 150 students, how many would be using the internet. So I can just multiply 10 times 15 to get me 150. So I can do 7 times 15 to get me x. 15 times 7. 7 times 5 is 35. 7 times 1 is 7, plus 3 is 10. So I got 105. So there's 105 students that would use internet to write their research paper. If the question had asked how many will not use internet, I could then take 105 and take 150 and subtract it to figure out the amount of students that would not use it, which would be 45 students. So the question is important. Here the question was a little bit simpler, but if I wanted to make it more challenging, I could just ask how many students would not use internet for their research paper, and then you would have to take your answer and subtract it from 150.